boy. Sup nerds, Fury Rider, bro. And today, we's driving out to go see a friend's wedding. Yay! I decided to take the bike because I can film a moto vlog and it's easier. And I won't do what you tell me. So while we're driving out there, I thought maybe we could talk about the birds and the bees, you know? Marriage. Oh, brother. Hey, brother. Step number 1, you gotta love yourself. And then step number 2, that's when you gotta find somebody that loves you on a physical, emotional, mental level. And here's the thing. You can't go searching for it. Sometimes it just comes to you. And I'm gonna tell you, I found my person. I found that thing that I love. And it's the Harley, brother. Hey! You thought I was gonna be all serious, bro? What do you think I am? A fucking therapist? Cause I'm not. Yeah, that was like a really lame, long-winded joke. I'm having them brain farts. I have been busy with some other stuff though, and I'll throw a link down to it in the comments or in the description. So what are you doing? I'm making an album, brother, and basically this is just kind of like a test. My band, we're doing some stuff, but I'm finishing up this album that I've done. It's probably one of the better albums I've done. I released the bonus tracks today because I found a distribution service called DistroKid. I'm gonna give it a shot because they'll put it on Spotify, Amazon Music, all that stuff. The one thing I read about like Spotify is that you can do covers. Like DistroKid will distribute covers, but it's kind of complicated and long-winded, and I'm kind of lazy and short-winded. So I just decided to release the covers that I did for the album as bonus tracks on Bandcamp. I got 2 songs out. One is, the first is a cover of Slow Dance With You. It's off of Adventure Time, brother. Let's throw a little clip up now. Got it? Good. The next is a cover of This Modern Love by Block Party. I love that song. And again, we'll throw a little clip up now.
Why so dead? Absent-minded? Why so scared?
Got it? Good. These are my covers, by the way. Oh, we're behind our brother. We're behind a brother. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I'm putting the finishing touches on the album. I was working on the last song. Yeah! That's gonna go onto the album before I was getting ready for the wedding. That's kind of why I'm running a little late. I was re-recording the guitar. And so basically, the 2 most recent songs that I've recorded are songs that I had made in the past. They were just instrumentals. One, I've wrote lyrics for it like 20 times and nothing ever stuck. But the lyrics I got now feel really good. Like, I feel really good about it. But they were these instrumental tracks that I wrote probably in, God, I don't know, like 2011. It's been almost, 10 years since they were written. And I'm just now doing something with them. And that's kind of how my process goes when I write songs. A lot of the time I'll write a song, be like, oh man, that's so cool, and then never do anything with it. And then years down the line, I'll be going through all of my catalog of music that I've written and be like, oh shit.
Oh shit!
And then work on it a little bit more, transform it into something spectacular. So that's kind of what's going on. It's called Loops. So I'm excited to have it finished, and then I'm good. I'm golden. I'm done. Well, I'm not done. After that, I gotta mix and master. And I'm still getting the hang of mixing and mastering. So that's like my only qualm. The songs themselves are fantastic. I mean, it's a learning process. So this album is gonna be better than anything I've ever done before. But I still got work to do because I gotta learn how to mix and master. I think I've talked about it in the past. And I'm super having fun with it. I've got the follow-up album already. Like, I've got songs recorded and done, ready to go. And then I've just got to write like a few more. Like, I'm pretty good. You know, I'm excited. I'm excited to get this album done and put it out there. I have friends that have listened to it and, well, you know, parts of the songs, and they're like, yo, when the are you gonna put this out? So people are like, listen, the songs you've released since then have been okay, but the content that you've been putting out recently, like the little bits and pieces that you've shown us, stop playing around and put out the goddamn album. And I'm like, I know, I'm working on it. And it's really all that's been on my mind right now. Like, I'm super excited. That and what's up, brother? I've got plans for some music videos for the singles and all that. The other thing that's been on my mind, I've been thinking about it a lot, is the video that I'm going to be making for the 10,000 mile ride review. I'm thinking about making it a little bit more cinematic, so the chances are I'll probably be over 10,000 miles when it's released. Like, I'll probably be maybe 11, 12,000. I'm aiming to make it more cinematic than I have in the past, like in past videos. I've done like maybe one cinematic thing, and that's for the one where I'm like, son,
you know, you should get a motorcycle. You're a poor college student. Gas is expensive. It's just you. You should really think about how far you can go on a motorcycle.
that's like the one cinematic thing I've done. And so I'm aiming to make this review more cinematic. There'll probably be less humor in it than in traditional moto vlogs, but I want to try something new for the channel. And if it works, you know, I might be going that route. It just kind of sucks because if I do that, it's going to take longer to get videos finished. And I like putting up a video a week, but it has been kind of like wearing me down because I don't have a lot to talk about. I'll have like bursts where I'm like, yo, this is what we're talking about. This is what we're going to be communicating. A lot of the time I'm just driving around talking about Sanchez tacos. You know, I like the clouds. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Oh yeah, the wedding's at this haunted hotel, brother. It used to be an insane asylum. It was like abandoned and in disrepair for a long time. People would go there and be like, oh, where's the furnaces where they burned the bodies? And shit like that. There's blood coiled. And like, yeah, it was one of those. And then somebody bought it and was like, yo, let's turn it into a motherfucking hotel. And so, from my understanding, it's weird the way they do it. So, they slightly advertise it as a haunted hotel, but then other than that, it's just like a regular 5-star hotel or some shit. It's like a 4 or 5-star hotel. I know that they do some like crazy shit for like Halloween and stuff. Like, I think one year they played The Shining, so I mean, that's pretty cool and creepy. I've never actually been there, so we'll see now how it be, how it do, how you see, and how you pee. Hey! But I'm excited for my friends. They've been together for quite some time. They're fucking awesome people. They've been there for me when there wasn't really anybody there. They're really cool people. Super duper nerdy. Super duper nerdy. Actually, I think the first time, because I went to middle school and high school with the groom, and the first time I met the bride, I was buying a gaming headset from the groom, and she brought it. So I think that was like the first time I met her, but she's cool. They're awesome together. And the story I like to tell is the groom in middle school locked me in a bathroom with like one of the prettiest girls ever, and it was the most awkward thing. I vividly remember telling her, "I'm sorry you got locked in the bathroom with me," and she was like, "It's cool, shit happens." And so we just stood in the darkness for like 10 minutes. Somebody opened the door, and his reasoning was, "She's pretty and you're dope, I wanted to get y'all guys together." And I was like, "Thanks, but dick move." And then the first day of high school, voice crack, the first day of high school, the groom kicked me in the nuts in front of the whole goddamn school. It was just one of those things, you know? It's what fucking dumbass teenage boys do. To be fair though, I've done a lot of stupid shit too. And I'm super excited that they are getting married. And that I was invited. It means a lot to me. Red Bomb. You know, the crackheads in this town are wild. Road Runner! Road Runner. Isn't that the song? Something like that. It's like Road Runner. Road Runner. Yo, I'm thirsty and hungry. I ate one thing and drank like a bottle of water. So kids, remember, don't be a fucking idiot like I am. But yeah, music, videos, and just everything else that I'm doing. I'm feeling really happy about it. Oh my god. Oh, here we go now down to Central. Happen to be doing all of this stuff, getting my creative energies flowing. Oh, Mr. State Police Trooper didn't want to wave at me, brother. Wow, dick. I'm gonna go do this wedding. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Smash that fucking like button, brother. Leave a comment down below. You know? Tell me what you think. What drives you? What are your passions? And what are you doing to achieve them? We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. She's like, you know,